So, I didn't record yesterday, so we'll see if twice happens today. I'm exhausted, but who knows? Okay. So, 今日も昼に金庫を通りに行きます。So today he also something about going for chicken. I don't know why I thought tori was chicken. Oh, because that's not in what the hell? Kinoko. All right, I don't know. I need to look at the vocab sheet for this. Anyway, Tozanka wa, so the mountaineer, kinko ni tsuite yoku shiteimasu. So the mountaineer something about he goes often. Oh no, okay. The mountaineer knows a lot about mushrooms. I don't understand how kinoko is mushroom in katakana. Kinoko. Like, it's ki, right? Yeah. Kinoko. Anyway, 食べられる金庫と食べらない金庫があります。Something about he eats mushrooms, but he doesn't eat mushrooms. Oh, okay. There are mushrooms that you can eat, and there are mushrooms that you cannot eat. It's interesting because it translates as there are mushrooms that are edible as well as mushrooms that are not edible. But the word is definitely the verb to eat. So it's an interesting liberty in translation, if you will. その夜登山家は病気になって初めて救急車を電話で呼びました。Something about a number. I'm not sure. Okay. That night, he got sick and called for an ambulance for the first time. So this is super confusing because like all the vocab is this kanji, like right here. Oh, there, the bold stuff. And unfortunately, it's like a bunch of different words, so they're all highlighted here, which is really frustrating. Again, I probably should have read the vocab for this chapter first, or this story first before trying to read the story, but you know, we all make mistakes in our lives. So, here we go. 病院に着いたとき、医者はいました。病院に着 Something about at the hospital. He did something. When he arrived at the hospital, the doctor said... Might as well just finish this. There's only 2 sections left. The doctor said... 食べられないキノコを食べましたか? Did you eat something you can't eat? I think. Did you eat inedible mushrooms? Ha, ha, okay. キノコはとても危険なので気をつけてください。つけてください。The mushroom something, please. You have to be careful since mushrooms can be very dangerous. Kikken, dangerous, okay. でももう大丈夫です。But you're fine. But everything is fine now. でも目が悪くなっています。But maybe you could. By the way, your eyes are getting weak. 知っていましたか? Did you know that? 休んだ方がいいですよ. No idea. You should take a good rest. That definitely will fix your eyes. そして当然が毎年病院に行って健康診断を受けます。そして、so then the mountaineer always went to the hospital? I don't know. Since then, the mountaineer goes to the hospital to receive a checkup every year. Okay, that is the whole story number 2, which is pretty rad. So maybe later today I'll read the summary and the vocab so we can maybe do better at this next time. Okay, for now though, ciao, matane!